Hello and welcome to Nowhere. My name is Trish and I am the creator behind Nowhere Novelties. There are many ways to do a patina type of look on a cup. There are actually patina paints that you can purchase. You can kind of layer different colors of acrylic paints or spray paints. And I saw a very interesting technique that I wanted to give a try. I never would have thought to spray paint wet epoxy, but that's what we're doing to create this beautiful patina cup with a sticker transfer from the Dollar Tree. This cup actually comes together really quickly with minimal supplies. So if you're ready, let's strap in and shoot for the stars. The very first step on this 32-ounce tapered cup spray painted black is to add a base layer of epoxy with a little bit of like a copper mica powder. I chose to mix like a copper and like a rust gold color to create a little bit of a base for the patina. Since the cup was base painted black, I didn't want to put like a layer of epoxy right on and then go spray paint. I wanted like a base color to the epoxy because just in case any of the spray paint did something funky, I wanted to have some sort of base layer on top of the black. I didn't want just raw black. I probably could have pigmented the epoxy a little bit more than I did, but it's okay. This is going to be spray painted over. And to get a nice even coverage, no streaks or swirls, I like to just tighten up my glove and then tap my finger like I'm doing here. This creates almost like a stippling, and once the epoxy self-levels, you get a nice finish. Now I'm outside and ready to spray paint with vintage teal and gold. I also have some 91% rubbing alcohol and a chip brush. I know this is gonna feel weird, but bring out your cup with wet epoxy and spray down the teal first. You want not like full coverage because patina isn't like all blue or all gold. So take your chip brush and just kind of like tamp on your epoxy, and it's going to create these cells, and you can do as much and as little to like spread out the teal as you want. And I went back in and kind of did spurts to brighten up the teal, and then I went in with gold once I was happy with the teal. I went very light with the gold, but then I grabbed my 90% rubbing alcohol and sprayed the cup. It feels weird, but look at these cells and the detail you get in the cup. It's a really weird feeling to spray paint and spray alcohol on a wet epoxy cup, but it really is a cool technique. So here's my dollar store sticker. Now I did get this in the summertime, so I don't know if they still have this particular design, but it's a beautiful Dreamcatcher design, very like outdoorsy hunter western vibes. It is a white cast decal, so I think that you can put it on a dark cup. Regardless, it went on this cup beautifully, and that's it. This cup is done, guys. Like 2 steps. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope to see you real soon. Bye now.